Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie. I am Annie, your host. Remember, each week we receive a mystery product that I need to figure out how to use at home. And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects. Let's see what's in our bag this week. Oh, looks like we have Benjamin Moore Ben and an eggshell. I wonder what color it is. It says Lush. Let's take a look. Ooh, it's a beautiful sage green. You know, I saw a project where you can quickly do an accent wall with some leftover paint, and all you do is use a roller to put it on. I think that would work out really well. I need an accent wall in my bedroom, so I think that's where I'm gonna put this paint. Let's grab all of our supplies and get rolling. This accent wall should only take minutes, and there is no right or wrong. You can roller it high to make a statement piece in the room, or you can roller it lower to make it look like a faux headboard. Before you get started, make sure to put down a drop cloth and tape your baseboards. To help me out, I put some tape on the wall. This will help with my boundaries when I start and I stop. Let's roll! For those of you wondering, the base color is Benjamin Moore Swiss Coffee. I am loving this color. This is really easy and just takes minutes to complete. I love the way that turned out. That accent wall made my bedroom look so much bigger. If you try this at home, please tag us. I want to see. Use the hashtag #TheHelpfulPlace. And if you're looking for accent wall ideas that are unique, don't miss the one where I use my kitchen sponge. Thank you for watching. See you next week.